Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today we are doing, I'm just gonna bring in all our ingredients. So we're doing a papaya soap. So for the papaya soap, we will not be using any colorant. We will be only using our additives, the usual. I have here mixed in the kaolin clay and the colloidal oatmeals. Now this one is the fragrance that we're using. I'll show it to you. It's Mango Papaya Fragrance Oil. We have the lye water solution with some Tassa silk added in. And here we have all the oils and butters. We have cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, and then we have also olive oil, castor oil. So for this one, I will be adding first the kaolin clay. Oh, and most important ingredient that I forgot to mention is the papaya puree. So this is the real fruit. It's organic papaya. So we cut the fruit and then we blend it in the blender so it becomes like a puree. I will add it also into the batter. Papaya has a specific scent and it stays in the soap a little bit, so that's why it's important to have a good fragrance to use. Like this one, Mango Papaya, behaves well and it smells really nice. That's why I will be adding it right away into the batter, the full batter. I'm not worried about acceleration or anything. And also, as I mentioned, we have no colorants, so we're not planning any design, any swirls. It's just gonna be a simple pour, a simple bar of soap. I think I should be moving this more forward. So after adding all the additives and the papaya, I will stick blend this for like, I would say a minute. This is mixed well. I'll just clean the mess next to us a little bit. Bring in, I can get the fragrance. That's the lye water solution with the Tassa silk in it. I can add it in. Now when the saponification will start, you will see all the oils and butters emulsifying. You see the color change. And it's thickening. So that's more than enough to stick blend. We can go ahead right away and pour into the mold. It is thickening due to the papaya. Oh, saved it last minute, I would say, because it started to thicken. And to be honest, I didn't check the angle of the camera. Hopefully you guys can see the pour. And that's it. See, we managed to have all of them into the mold. So what I will do right now, I'm gonna tap them just to make sure we have equal layers and probably like fix it. I'll tap it on the floor and fix it to have them like almost equal. I'll bring you back. So I tried to tap them, but it wasn't really helpful because it was set up. So what I did, I'm trying to do it with the spatula. As you can see, I'm going back and forth to try and make sure that we have equal amounts, but it's not a big deal. Like, it's not gonna be a big difference. And then we will texture this with a spoon. And that's it, I think. You know what, I'll just keep it this way. Clean off my hands. And let's do this with a spoon. Oops, sorry. Because it's thick enough, so you can right away do some textures. Just trying to give it like a nice textured top, but it's really thick, so. And this fragrance smells really nice. It smells fruity. I wouldn't say much, like, I don't know if it's mango papaya. Like, for me it smells fruity. Like, it has a very nice fruity scent to it, but it sticks well in the soap after cure. I've used it multiple times and it's really nice. And it goes on with any season. It's not like a summer tropical smell. Yeah. I think that's it. We'll leave it here. I think after we cut the soap tomorrow, I'll just trim it and fix it. Hello again, guys. So this is the next day. I'm not sure if you can see this one. Let me show you closer. There's some cracks on the top. That's the papaya soap. So it gelled. You see how the color darkened, and it's really super hard. Like, we made this soap like late in the afternoon, and this is the next morning. I believe if I made it like earlier afternoon, I could cut it like the same day. All right, that's it. As you can see, this color, you see the ring around? That's the gel, but it's gonna cure to one color eventually. It will turn a nice natural color. As you can remember, we did not add any colorant. Oh, look at this part. But it will turn to the same color eventually. And now we have the other loaf. We'll cut it. But yeah, until next week, guys, I'll see you again with another soap making video. You take care of yourselves, you stay safe, be happy, positive, smile, and see you again soon. Bye for now.